the greenest one. Rainy days are so much fun. Splash goes two in a muddy hole, dancing like they're on a roll. Squishy boots and soggy toes, one frog spins and strikes a pose. Ribbit, ribbit, jump up high, they leap and twirl beneath the sky. Puddle jumps and Leafy slides, water drips from Froggy rides. Plip, plop, splash, they sing a tune, croaking songs beneath the moon. Then the clouds begin to yawn, rain gets sleepy, nearly gone. Frogs all hug with happy grins, till next time when the splash begins.